So today we're in San Francisco. We're gonna get some blur motion. We're gonna get some birds. Just take a photo walk. So if you want to come along for a photo walk, then that'll be great. If not, watch this video over here. But in the meantime, let's go get some shots. Found the bird, captured the bird, conquered the bird. So sometimes it's just nice to get out to the beach, go take some pictures. Could be random pictures. I think this is gonna be a random video. Photo walk around, take some photos. So nothing specific on this one, just wanted to take you along on a nice day and take some pictures at the beach, take some pictures of birds, and just take pictures. Doesn't have to be scripted or planned out. Sometimes the best photos come when you least expect it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe. Stick around to the end of the video. I have some photos to show you. Don't have to plan out everything. Just go and shoot. See what you come up with. So, having a good time today. Good experience. And I want to do more shoots like this. Drop a comment below if you think I should or should not. I should stick to the script, pick an idea and run with it, or you just enjoy taking photos and coming along for a photo walk. Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe if you're not already.